Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out the NYX Filler Instinct, and this is the Plumping Lip Balm with hyaluronic acid. So this seriously sounds like exactly what I look for in a lip product. First of all, I love the brand NYX, and this retails for $8. Not too crazy at all. I got this from Ulta. It comes in 6 other shades, but the shade that I have here is called Besos. So I love plumping and hydrating lip products because I have small, dry, chapped lips. And so this says that it has ginger and hyaluronic acid, and it's a glossy lipstick, which sounds beautiful. It's semi-sheer, 8 hours of hydration, cruelty-free, vegan. So all of that has me very excited to try this. And I love the packaging on this. It kind of looks like it would be a little lip gloss, but then it's a kind of like a skinny lipstick and it twists up. Before I apply this to my lips, I want to see what the Besos shade swatch is like. Oh my gosh. It seriously glides right on, and that is so pigmented and very bright and fun. I am so excited to see how this will look on me. And that's a lot of pigment too. Like, I think that's gonna show up pretty nicely. Let's find out. Yeah, I love applying this because I feel like that glossiness makes it just slide right on the lips so easily. And it looks super smooth and even. And it feels like a Glossier lip balm. So super hydrating, but with a little bit more like of a slick feel. It's awesome. And I'm also noticing a little bit of a cooling feeling on my lips, which hopefully means that they are getting plumped up, but it's definitely not intense or painful at all. It just feels a little bit cooling. And what do we think of this color? I think it is so fun. It kind of almost looks like a red lip type of shade, but just more toned down, a little bit more pink, but still vibrant and fun. And even though it's not like extremely opaque, it doesn't look sheer. It's very smooth, even color. So I really love the look of this. And it looks so completely hydrating and like juicy for my lips. Like, my lips are not at all chapped. I don't really see any visible size plumping, but it did plump my lips in the moisturized sense. Like, they look more smoothed out. Just all around, I am loving this. And so quick and easy to apply. I feel like the shape of it is perfect to get the precise shape of my lips, very precise edges. So everything about this, I have no complaints about. I just feel like this is the type of color that just kind of gives me confidence. Like, it's bright, but it's not like an intimidating bright red. I just love it. And it looks so gorgeous on the lips too. So the color attracts your attention to the lips, but then it makes the lips look so smooth and hydrated. So it's just so flattering and beautiful. I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of transfer though because of that glossiness. Yeah, a full kiss mark here. Wow, still pretty intact on my lips though, considering all of that transfer. Like, my lips still have all of the color. So I definitely think this is a product that I would touch up after eating and drinking, but like I said, it's so quick and easy to apply. Well, now I want this in other shades because I love this product. Let me know if you've tried this product out, if you've tried it out in any of the other shades, and which ones are your favorites. Also, let me know if you've tried out any great NYX products lately. I am just feeling like I want to go and spend some money on NYX products after trying this one out and loving it so much because it is such a well-priced brand for such great quality products. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.